Hello everyone. Oh, I see this moved a little bit whenever I started it. Okay, I apologize for the fan. I'm going to be doing some soldering, so I need the fan to take the solder fumes away. Now, in my last video, my daughter said that she could hardly hear me because of the fan. So I put the camera behind me to hopefully block some of the noise of the fan, and I hope it works, but we'll see. Okay, my daughter has this Barbie light, kind of looks like that, and the batteries were dead. So I'm not really good with researching this stuff, so I went to battery place and got some batteries, put the batteries in, and it didn't seem to do anything. I thought that was kind of odd. Here, whenever I got it apart, oh, and little, no, maybe this isn't a Barbie light, but it might be the size of an American Doll, I'm not sure. But I go to take the screws out, and they're Delta heads. I don't know if you can see that or not, but these are proprietary, or what do you call them, security heads. So it took a little bit to get them out. Couldn't believe it. And what I found was, whenever I took it apart, that the two leads were actually shorted together right here. They were crossed and shorted, and where I went to open it up, you can see how bad this is, although it is connected, but the black one just came right off. So I'm going to redo the black one, and I may touch up the solder on this one. And the red lead is just quite a little bit too short. I'm going to see if I can maybe take it off of here and give me a little bit extra, because whenever I try to put the leads on each side of where this screw goes, the red one keeps pulling. And they didn't give enough room on the edges really for the wires to go around, because as you can see on this one, the basically like standoff or whatever for the threads go in there. So it gives me hardly any room to make this work. I'm not even sure how it was really working before. It just seems like it would have been completely shorted. And I'm glad I'm not the person who's building these things, because wow. Okay, so I'm going to scruff up this tab a little bit. Hopefully it'll take some solder. And I'm sorry this is in a bad angle. If you can't, let me see. Can you see that down there? Okay, about there. So, well, yeah, actually I need to do it over here anyway, so maybe that'll work a little bit. I don't even know if the solder's going to take to this. Oh, it did. Great. Not the best job, but secure. It's not falling out. Now I may try to do something else. So hold on, everyone.